This video is a short introduction to Adobe Illustrator tools. Hi, hope you are fine. Selection tool is used to displace object from one place to another. You can press V shortcut to select selection tool. The direct selection tool in Adobe Illustrator is a powerful tool used for selecting and manipulating individual anchor points and paths in vector graphics. It allows you to make precise adjustments to the shape and position of elements in your artwork. The Magic Wand tool in Adobe Illustrator is a selection tool that allows you to select areas of similar colors or objects in your artwork with a single click. It is useful for quickly selecting and editing specific parts of an illustration or graphic. This will select graphics of similar colors. Lasso tool allows you to make freehand selections of objects or areas in your artwork. It gives you more flexibility in selecting irregular shapes or specific parts of an illustration. Lasso tool used to select points, paths, segments and objects by drawing freehand shapes. The Pen tool is one of the most versatile and powerful tools in Adobe Illustrator. It allows you to create and edit paths with precision, enabling you to draw and manipulate complex shapes, illustrations, and vector graphics. It creates paths with precision using anchor points and handles. You can make custom shapes using Pen tool. Draw precise and complex shapes, outlines, and curves with great control.